I'm excited for today. We're going to kick off by checking with our friends at Hotwire Electric.
Hi, Marc and Mandy. We are here today to explore the most amazing, magnificent, and the latest in lighting. First, I want to show you is some amazing examples of landscape lighting. Throughout here, you can see different types of accent lighting that's going to be used for exterior use. On the wall, this is the latest in LED track lighting that allows you to create art pieces. We're known for lighting as art, and this is the perfect example of that. Lighting selections are very important for your home, and your electrician needs to know what your vision and master plan really is for your space. Here are some amazing pendant and hanging lights, just some features to accent your space. One amazing feature that we often use in our custom homes is lighting up the staircases. These features here actually let you choose the type of fixtures and the light projection that you're looking for your stairs. An important feature of wiring your home is possibly installing an automation system. We're able to control your lights, blinds, music, surround sound, alarm, security, everything from the touch of a keypad. This automation system allows you to control your lights without having switches in the walls. It has to be pre-planned with your electrician before the installation. One feature in a custom home that often gets overlooked are your switches and your cover plates. There is a plethora of choices that your electrician can design for your house. It can match your wallpaper, it can match your cabinetry. Depending on what looks you're going for, we can make sure that we have screwless, colored, dimmers, switches, all of your receptacles in tune with your home. A great feature for pot lighting is going outside of the box of the basic white trim pot lights. You can use your recessed lighting to accent and illuminate your home with different trim selections. As a custom home electrician, one of the options and features in our office is to be able to sit down with our clients and design lighting. One of the things that we can select is recessed lighting, and staying away from the standard 4-inch pot light is something that we're able to offer you. Here you can see modular and recessed lighting that is movable. So there you go, Marc and Mandy. Hopefully we gave you a new angle on shining that light.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.